What are nature-based solutions? As global temperatures increase, so the Earth's climate is changing. Evidence suggests that this is increasing the frequency and intensity of drought, floods, and storms across the world. In many parts of the world, the dominant approach to dealing with the hazards of climate change has been engineered interventions, such as sea walls. These can be very effective, at least in the short term, but they are very expensive and often cause other problems. Nature can provide the best defense against the impacts of climate change, including drought, heat waves, and rising sea levels. It's an affordable and long-term solution. Humans have harnessed nature to buffer the impacts of climate variabilities for millennia, but the latest science is providing more evidence and raising awareness. By restoring and protecting nature, we can not only safeguard biodiversity, but also adapt to the effects of climate change. Additionally, by absorbing and storing carbon, these nature-based solutions can also slow further warming. For example, as ice caps melt, sea levels rise, threatening major cities, many of which are already threatened by flooding and erosion. We can try to fight these by building expensive sea walls, but nature provides a more holistic and cheaper solution. Planting mangroves in appropriate areas defends against coastal flooding and storm surges, and weakens the strength of waves, which stops the shore crumbling into the sea. Coral reefs provide flood defenses by breaking big waves and absorbing their energy before they hit the shore. A healthy reef also provides nursery grounds for economically important fish species, and can provide jobs and income to local economies from fishing, recreation, and tourism. Ultimately, nature is our closest ally in the fight against climate change.